Sayang per, second quarter tayo per, no? Grabe, sayang yung block per. Na-block talaga si Japit, no? Na-reject ulit ni RHG. Sinuki talaga siya per. Ayan, gumanti. Ginantihan si Iram, eh. Lamang sila ng 6 points per. Second quarter tayo, no? Upload ko pa rin ito mamaya per, no? Pagkatapos, no? Si Iram ata yung na-block niya. Nako, iiyak na naman yan. Nako po, lamang naman sila. Lamang sila ng 8 points, mga kapistak. Kaya pa yan, no? Kaya pa yan. Second quarter pa. So sa walang time, no, nasa trabaho ngayon, yung wala, hindi maka-idlip, hindi makasilip man lang sa laro nila ngayon. So every quarter, i-upload ko to mga part, tsagaan nyo lang panoorin, no. Kubuntin. Grabe ito sa Kubuntin part, talagang gamit na gamit din. Naku po, 10 points sa ata yung lamang. Ito, parang na-block siya dito. Boom! Kabalo siya par. Ginantihan niya si... Sino ginantihan niya? Si Iram nga? Ay, hindi pala. Grabe si Kubuntin par talaga. May pakinabang dito si Kubuntin par. Ayan par, 10 points na po sila par. Resume tayo mamaya par. Par, resume tayo par. Talagang 10 points na po par. Lumulubo ng lamang nila. My God. Makabawi tayo sa third quarter. Sa bagay, mataas pa yung oras, no? 10 points, I mean 10 minutes pa. Maliit pa yan, maliit pang lamang yan. Huwag muna kayong kabahan dyan, mga naka-abay-abay dyan. Nalalasing na naman. So yan part, 10 points lead pa tayo. Bawi tayo. Bawi lang. Bawi tayo par. Pero na, kapagkumanan eh. So pagkatapos nito par, upload ko agad par, no? Sana hindi siya matirim para tuloy-tuloy ang panonood nyo. Tsaka i-compile ko, no? First quarter to fourth quarter, i-compile ko. Para maging buo po ang kanilang gameplay na laro na makakanood nyo. Tsagaan nyo lang, no? Kasi medyo blurred talaga. Medyo madilim dito sa bahay. Bahay ng mama. So ayan, 10 points lead po sila par, no? Castro. Oh, himala. Inilabas si RHG, no? Wala si RHG, no? Kala ko talagang ibababad. Sige, panahon mo na yan, Brownlee. Wala si RHG, oh. Wala si RHG, ah. Hindi kasi yan mapayang na... Wala, ni-reject. Goaltending? Anyari doon? Goaltending ba yan? But my goodness, that was murderous power coming from Justin Brownlee. Tinakdak pa, bro. Anong decision yan? The dodging a bullet, that could have been a definite momentum turner in favor of Barangay Ginebra. Right, it would have involved the crowd right away and then sa tingin kinabula pa, babae pala yung referee pa. Nauso ngayon yung babaeng referee, no? Mga professional. Hindi pa sa basta yan, babae. Pero... So ayan, RHG to ah. Binalit na. Grabe, wala na par. Lusin na yung lamang par. Lumulog. Nako, lagot. RG, nice. Lumabas pa talaga RG. Wala ka talaga ngayon. Ano si RG ngayon par? Ang galing yan. Nangyari sa defense ng ano? May foul pa ata kasama. Oh my G. 14 points na po par. Hinawakan pa kasi ni RG. Galing. Mga Bisaya, ano ba ito mga par? Mga kabistak na amin to. Bisayang dako din to eh. Kita ko yung ano nila sa Reels ba yun, sa Facebook. Yung Bisaya pala to, pati si ng Batak, no? Scoreless sila, no? Sa second quarter, gabi naman yun. Wala ka, 15 na par. Patay tayo dyan. Dakdak ka din, Japit. Nako, nangyari. Wala pa. Ano, bumakdap. Quick run. Ako. Paulo si Justin Brownlee. Sige ka, lagot ka. No intent. Oh, non-intentional. Ano yan eh, liho ka na niya. Anak si Ira mo, ay kung bensa pa, mapiyangan ka, napatay tani. Ay kung bensa pa. Mapiyangan ka, patay niya ni. Unintentional naman yan, no? Wala naman sigurong contact o merong konti. Pitcoat challenge, iba talaga to si Tim Confer. Hindi pinapalampas yung ano. Pagkasakali mga ano ba, successful. Grabe talaga to si Kobe Bryant. Dumakdak. Muntik ng mga pilayan ah. Wala na siyang ginalaw, wala siyang hinawakan, kahit konti, kokora.
But look at Rondae Hollis Jefferson already looking like he is okay. That hard fall.
He's tough.
Mukha talaga siyang Kobe Bryant pag ano, tumawa.
Absolutely in the prime of his career at 29 years of age. You're ready for the decision.
Unsuccessful.
The challenge made by Barangay Ginebra was not successful.
Guy was not successful. Para sa meaning, may foul talaga. At least, tinatry nila, no? Yun yan.
There it is.
Was it the arm? Was it
Arm?
the arm of Japet
Obvious naman, Japet.
that the referees deemed to be enough? And our table officials, after the review,
sinundot mo talaga, Japet.
sided with the
Foul
referee.
naman talaga yun. Ayan par,
So they
gabi,
said that the
lumulubo
arm
na par.
bar coming from Japet,
Oh, Bino pa.
What's the foul?
yep, was the foul. It affected
Bino ata
the
si Japet.
ability of Rondae to go up for the shot.
15 points par na, 8 minutes left par. Patay, parang mukhang makaganti ang ano ngayon par.
It's no secret that Rondae Hollis Jefferson has been carrying the heaviest load in this entire series. Even if his body's
Para
already
talaga si
all
Kobe
that
Bryant.
just like what you saw
Kobe
in
Bryant yung galawan,
Reyes
pero
acknowledged how much
Kevin
Rondae
Durant
has had
yung
to
ano
work
niya,
in
free throw
doing all the heavy
style.
lifting on both ends of the floor. But when we ask if the coaches are now keen on managing
Yan,
his
Scotty,
minutes, especially
nilabas kasi si Scotty, nag-iinit pa yan eh.
Josh said it was actually
Wala si
RJ
Abrintos ba? Wala talaga.
suggested rather that
Parang
they
kinakabahan si Abrintos na akin.
stop the energy on the floor to keep his
So
momentum
ayan,
going.
lock po,
Rondae, for his
16
part,
points
did
na.
say that this series is
8
all about
minutes.
willpower, and he's ready to
Kaya pa yan, kaya pa yan.
even if that means playing heavier
Kaya pa
minutes
yan,
than
mga
any
par.
other guy on the floor. Carlin, Coach Joe?
But that was a coach decision to give him a bit of a breather here in the second quarter. What's important
So,
is that they did not
Kinararo, parang
the
kararo.
minutes when he was on
Nice
the
one.
bench, Coach Joe.
Paul ata si Jefferson.
If there was any chance, it was that time when they were up ahead, so they could just play the
No, ngayon
defense.
naman siya tumawa. Nung game 4 talagang walang
6 to
imik din.
20.
Ngayon, natawa-tawa na siya.
As
Ganda,
Ahanmisi
ha?
will get an opportunity, well, two opportunities to score the first
Parang
point here in
ano
the
yung
second quarter for Barangay
Pupinsa
Ginebra.
nila ngayon par. Kung kulong, kung makabawi ba ito sa third quarter,
3.5
nako,
minutes into it.
lagot pag hindi makabawi ko.
So the defense of TNT holding up, forcing,
Ahanmisi.
poor percentage.
No.
Only 2 points for Justin Brownlee in this matchup
So,
so
15
far.
points tayo ba?
He has done a great job of limiting his touches. Nampatak against Ahanmisi. Nampatak with a quick move, kicks it out, but going with a fake. Defense of Scotty all over. He attacks and scores with a
Galing.
banger.
Pugoy?
Stuck with this player.
Pugoy.
Three-point shot, they can
Nasubo.
take it to the basket, keep it to make
Taga nasubo.
First 2 points of the matchup.
Nice one. Ganyan lang.
Ahanmisi.
Eh, hindi ko na-catch up agad yung ano yun. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Okay. Ganyan lang, pa isa-isa lang.
Which happened also the other day.
Quick adjustment coming from
Marami
Coach
pang
Kenny
oras.
Williams about to
Upload
check
ko ito
back
mamaya
into
ng
this
mga
matchup.
kabisdak no, sa hindi nakapanood, hindi nakasilip no, kasi
Boy,
may trabaho.
Bata.
pagtsagaan nyo na lang ito mamaya. Okay na to, kaysa wala kayong mapanood, no? Tuloy-tuloy itong mapanood. Uy, ano na yan? Paul na naman? Ganda.
Sending it to the sky. Shapit.
Nawala ang ano nila par, no? Nag-blackout bigla. Pero ayan, bumalik na par. Naku, mahala si Brownie ngayon par. So lamang pa rin sila ng ano, no? 37. Lamang sila ng 16. Bawi kayo. Huwag niyong palubuhin ang lamang. Si Scotty ang may momentum ngayon par. Walang tao. Tira na. Boom! Wala pa rin to. Oy, last touch ang paa. Pares. Bola natin. Kinsa? Hindi man nga kapangutang mo na.
That led to a turnover. You saw it slip from the fingertips of Kelly Williams, and it was indeed last touch.
Ulaw to, kay yung siya nga nabayaran ako kanya.
But if TNT keeps that type of tempo, it's in their favor.
It's weird that we're saying that when they are the defensive team and Ginebra is the high-scoring team, but that is just the case. That is a frustration foul coming from Reynan Bata. If there was one.
Out of nowhere.
Ay, sa.
At least you see that they're aggressive defensively. So you probably take that one foul.
But sometimes you want to give a statement. You feel that the last foul that you should have drawn was a
So ayan par, 39-23, 16 points ata, no? 6 minutes ay par sa second quarter. Upload ko to mamaya agad, no? Katapos nito, no? Para at least mayroong mapanood ang mga hindi po nakapanood, no? Walang tayo makasilip. Walang parang naka-blurred. Blurred kasi, no? Nice one. Ito sana yung pinasok kanina.
Aggressive, good rotation, good switching.
No, we said in the first quarter they were defending so
Si Tenorio pang ano lang, no? Pang starter ng si Tenorio tapos inilabas agad. Naku par, ano, parang ano na. Galing talaga ni Brownlee pag ano, mag-rebound. Dikit na dikit yung dulo. Blocking foul. Dalawa eh. Sure na yan. Nice one ang batak.
And that half-hearted run on defense will cost TNT. As Holt is on the line for 2 free throws.
Napit naman eh. Pag in sa second quarter, taas pa man yung quarter.
But this guy can
Parang minamalas na yung team natin ngayon. Kinakabahan ngayon yung mga ano. Tayador. 6 minutes par, 6 minutes ang natira po sa second quarter, no? 39-24. Pinahinga po si Hanmisi, pinasok po si RG. Kasi pinto. Tapos pahinga din si ano, ng batak. Pumasok din si ano, Jason Castro. Nice ba. So ayan, 39-24 tayo pa. Grabe talaga to si RHG, talagang binababad sa laro.
Uncharacteristic of Ginebra, but they needed to do something.
Yep. Makes TNT a little bit uncomfortable.
Correct.
They trap Castro again. Pogoy open for
Pusa na naman ang itlog, gagay ka. Patay kayo dyan, bakit yung pinapatira? Galing ni Pogoy. Wala na par, lamang na sila. Ano may G? Anong masasabi niyo dyan par? Makabawi pa kaya sila sa third quarter pa? Naku, talagang minamalas sila nila. Naku po.
He will quickly apologize to his
Sino
Gilas
yan?
teammate, or former Gilas teammate, Arhan Pugoy.
Yarang liok, yarang liok. Yarang liok. Yarang liok. Malas sila ngayon par. Malas yung team natin par. Naku po.
So take another look at it.
Nangyari dyan. Ah, liok agay. Na ano yung ano niya? Pag landing niya, isang paa pa.
Pugoy able to pick
Okay
himself
lang yan,
up.
okay lang yan.
As this is
Kung nating pangaraping mapila yan pa para naman patas yung
42-25
game
for
pa, no?
TNT.
Para maganda yung laban. Ilang yan po, Goy. Kahit kalaban ka namin.
Castro.
Nako po, open na open. Ito yung lagi yung position nila. Buti na lang wala.
Rebound for Aurin. Fresh 14 now for the
Naku,
Tropang
nakuha
Giga.
kong rebound nila. 4 minutes tayo pa, 4 minutes na sa second quarter. Upload ko kaagad ito mamaya.
Wanted to go to Kelly.
Nice one, nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Ball pa natin, ball natin.
Yeah, he thought Kelly would have an open.
So ayan po, 4 minutes tayo, 38 seconds. Scotty dribbling the ball. Pass to Justin Brownlee. Brownlee to you. Naku po, airball. Brownlee intercept. Rebound by RHG. RHG pass to Pugoy. Pugoy. Nilia pala. At saka tinapik lang po par. Tinapik lang po ni Williams par. The veterans. Na grabe po par. Tinambakan sila par. Yan, Scotty dribbling the ball.
Instant impact for Kelly
Oh,
Williams.
inbounds.
7 points in total in the
Last
first 4
touch.
games. 9 points
Blow
here
team.
in game 5 and we're just in the first half.
We know he's mature,
Patay
but he
tayo
hasn't
dito
lost
par.
his
Parang
athleticism.
natambakan sila par.
19-point lead.
3 minutes tayo par. 3 minutes. Brownlee.
Brownlee once more. Get to that
Naku par,
rebound.
talagang malas. Naku. Wala sa ayos. Oh, puti. Grabe talaga par. Napakamalas ng puti at napakaswerte ng blue. Castro connects 2 points. May foul pa si Pinto. Bakit ba kasi binuksan ang pinto? Sinara mo dapat. Patay si Pinto tayo pa.
For the defense of Darts Pinto Castro.
Naku po.
Completely and one. And that
Wala na. Lamang na talaga sila par. 20 ata. Oh. Hindi pa.
will it be another full?
Ayan, resume tayo mamaya par. Resume tayo mamaya par. Resume tayo par. Talagang kinawawa yung ano natin par.
44 seconds.
Talagang puro mintis halos ang mga tira nila par. Talagang
5 points.
malas or talagang hindi lang
Period. And
maganda ang pagka-coaching ngayon ng team ko. Yan!
overwhelmed.
Uy, Chubby Chingson, no?
The
Si Chubby Chingson lagi itong pag may laban si Manny kahit saan. Uy, alam kay Edik, tumataba na, oh.
5 quarters so far.
Tumataba, pati yung asawa, tumataba din pala.
Shooting very well. Ginebra
Alan kay
struggling
Edik.
a little bit, missing a lot of
Uy, ito yung mga dagkong tae, bro.
That by Justin Brownlee was missed.
Kailan eh. Grabe, talagang wala ka.
Robert Norton in attendance. And back to Brown.
20 City ngayon.
Down low, had to force that one up. He needs him to take charge.
22 points, 22 points.
The ball really
Look, 20. Ay, hindi, 20.
you know, like now 30 minutes, 24
Yan, yan,
minutes
yan,
would
yan.
be difficult for him.
Yan.
If he really found, if they really
Yan,
found
foul po si
the
Kuboy.
ball inside to Justin
Reaching.
Brownlee, it would take a lot of energy.
So, grabe, 20 par. My God.
And you fear that it will not be sustainable if you're down
Yung
to
hinibra natin, hindi sila nakalamang ng ganyang kalaki, no? Okay, patay po yung puti. Naku po, lagot po. Lagot sa mga nakaka...
4 points in the matchup.
Mga tayador dyan. Lasing-lasing na naman.
27.
3 minutes tayo par, no? Sa second quarter. Upload ko kaagad ito par.
Asking for a second ball screen.
Castro.
How great
Ang
pass.
ganda talaga par. Naging open po ang kanilang mga ano. Ganda po ng
You
ano nila.
cannot show the same ball screen defense twice
Grabe
against
yung
the
position,
third,
open na
because the
open.
second time around,
Nangyari sa Hinibra.
Knows that if it's a big man, set
Hinalat.
the trap.
Yep.
If it's a small man setting the feet, they will show
Yep.
and go under. But he was just too fast for that.
Holt on the drive.
Naku.
There was a foul on the pass. Again,
Patay tayo, par.
Jason asked for the screener. He asked Kim Aurin to come over because he knew the
Ganda
kind of
ng pasa. Talagang upi na upi. Ano nangyari sa team nila ngayon? Wala.
chemistry, of course, with Machine Gun Kelly Williams.
So yan, oh, 49-27. 22 points, par. Ayan, resume tayo mamaya, par. Resume tayo mamaya, par.
Jimenez Basas sending a TV5 and
Uy! Si Wally!
Mayor is here.
Hindi, si Jose pala to.
Commissioner Willie
Si Picto din na yung kasama nyo.
also in
Wala si Wally eh. Kasama pala niya si Chavit. Chavit Simpson par, mga dagong tae par, mga kabistak. Grabe, kinawawa yung team natin ngayon par. Tambak na tambak. 22 points. Hirap niya. Hirap niya bawiin par. Billy Ray Bates. Bobby Parks. 3-time. Multiple time winners of this import. Galing. Pangalawa lang lamang pa rin pala si Justin, no? Kay Jefferson. Pero si Bobby Parks talaga yung 7-time. Galing. Billy Ray Ricks. Galing. Lamang pa rin pala yung ating ngayon. Huy, wake up! Anong nangyari sa inyo? Talagang tinambakan niya. Okay, 21 points. Norman Black.
Best Import Awardee, Coach Norman Black, in attendance, calling the game for RPTV.
Parang ano, parang magkapatid sila ni Jefferson at si Norman Black. Bunsong kapatid. Okay, par 2 minutes tayo, par 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
20 points lead for TNT. Yep. Had a lot of help, but my goodness, what a
Kita natin yung score para talagang ganado kayo manood, no? Grabe, exhibitionan naman na yatong team, par. Wala na. Wala na to, par.
But you know that Jason is looking for his old-time teammate
Grabe.
who has 11 points in the game.
20 points lead, par. Grabe, ang hirap dito, bawiin.
Barangay Ginebra looks so hesitant right now, coach, with
Tira na.
everything. Home launches.
Boom.
Misses from the outside.
Wala talaga yung par, par.
By Cole.
Parang naulit yung laro nila nung game 3. Game 3, game 2 ba yun? 1 minute tayo par, 1 minute 48 seconds tayo par, no? Lamang talaga yung lamang talaga yung 2 context. Oh my god. Pinakabahan na ngayon yung mga nakataya ngayon.
Castro for 3.
Buti na lang. Lo,
Rebound.
nakuha pa yung bola.
They win the possession
Ito.
back. Bogoy attacks inside, draws the foul, and he will
Oh
take
my
2 again. Jason
God.
going back to that play.
Right? And he got a good shot.
If you are a point
Par.
guard,
Par, no? Na-foul pa si Bugay, palitro
If
siya.
you know how they're defending you, then
Grabe,
you can
par,
counter
tinambakan
the
tayo,
defense.
par.
If you don't know how they're defending
Nako.
you, then you can counter the defense. And Jason is so
Balik
good.
20, par.
Venus Filipinas continues its journey in the second
Navy.
window of the FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers this November.
Tana, Iram.
Asia Arena. Get your tickets now by
Taga-Sige ko
SM
pala siya
Tickets.
sa Iram.
I already bought my tickets, coach. Did you buy yours?
Pinagpahinga si Williams, no?
Oh, for Venus.
Oh,
They're going up against
I need to buy a ticket.
1 minute na tayo par, 1 minute par. I-upload ko pa rin to, no? Gabi
I
ka.
will not sit on the bench.
Tinambakan yung team natin,
You
par.
told me to sit on the bench.
No,
I have
coach,
to
I
buy
want
a
you there all
ticket.
the time. 50-31 as Abarientos still
Wala
could
pa,
not connect
talagang
with the basket
minalas pa.
here in game 5.
Nako.
Now, what ball screen
Wala. Yan.
does Jason Castro want? Locates Oftana from the corner.
Grabe. Grabe par, talagang wasak na wasak. Wasak na wasak ang puso. 57 seconds par.
TNT was just picking down the defense of Ginebra.
May second, may third quarter pa man, pero talagang mahirap na to par. Mahirap na bawiin to. Wala talaga, minalas pa.
And that loses sometimes.
Dito naman ito, paborito talaga ng pwesto. Grabe.
Jason Castro was actually asking them to hit the brakes and
Okay,
give the ball
34
to him.
minutes tayo par. Okay, meron foul.
On RR Bogoy, they
Pugoy. So may foul si Pugoy par, no? 2 fouls na ata si Pugoy.
Justin trying to get
Grabe
himself
par,
going
hirap
in
nito
every way
ispilingin par.
possible.
53-31, oh my god. Parang nakaganti si ano par. Ayan. Umiiyak ata si Coach. Kung umiyak Coach, okay lang yung Coach. Ayan par, resume tayo mamaya par. Ayan par, gabi na yung ngiti ng ano par, TikTok par. Ngiting pang-asa, nakaganti na naman. Gabi yung naganti nila par, tinambakan tayo par. Kabawi pa kaya to sa third? So sa hindi nakapanood no, lalo na sa mga may trabaho, hindi nakasilip no. Sana silipin niyo yung upload ko no. Para at least meron kayong mapanood no. Tuloy-tuloy to par, walang cut to. Yung resume lang yung cut to, pero talang tuloy-tuloy to. Disclaimer na po, no copyright infringement. Grabe. 20 seconds na lang tayo par no. 20 points lead, my goodness, grabe. Castro for 3. Oh my G. Ayan, seconds na lang par, 8 seconds. 6-5. Ayan, bawi. Wala talaga par, wala. Grabe malas. Ayan par, i-upload natin to par, i-upload natin. Ayan po ang final par no. Final score. Grabe si Optana par no, 12 points no, 5 rebounds. Final score tayo. Ito pa yung final no. Ayan par, i-upload ko muna par no. Upload ko muna.